Okay, if you remember about this little, what do you call it here, SanDisk SSD, and I mentioned I got ordered a little I don't know, tray or carriage or something for it. And it did come in today, so we're going to install this thing here right quick. I know I'm getting pretty tired of this malarkey. I got two of these screws in here, and the camera kinked out on me. So, in any case, they go in like this here. They got little holes in the bottom of that. Shoot, get in here. Okay, well, I'm going to get these on in here, and then we'll get back. Alright, well, I got those screws on in there mounted securely. So now, what we're going to do, this old hard drive here has these little easy mounting things on these Hewlett-Packard. I don't know, maybe they all got them. I don't know. You take them out of there, it makes mounting easier. You don't have to you don't bolt your hard drive in solid to the thing there. Just a moment, we'll have these out here. Okay, so they go. That's done with that. Then we take these and we put them in here. You could, I mean, it's made for a Torx or something. I might wind up having to go get one because it seems like that don't fit very good in there. And if it don't, then I'll have to go out, and it don't really. So I'm probably going to have to go out and get a Torx. These things are probably not the exact same size. So in a little bit I shall return. Well, first I got to go before I can return this and this. I did have one of them. I think I took it out. Just sure enough, you know, you had tools in the house for 6 months and take them back out, and the next thing you know, you're going to have to have them. All right, I'll be back when I get them. All righty. Yeah, we went out and got the appropriate tool for the job here. Put these on in here. Boy, that's just like it don't really have a thread cut in there yet. So there's that one. And here's this one down here. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I hope you can see that good enough. Now we got these little legs on here, so you got to turn it the right way. You got to have these little prongs so they hook into these things. And then you can take and slide this right into here. You find the right slot and hold back on this thing here, and that goes right in there. Then you get your appropriate wires here. This one goes on this side. I know you can't see my hands in the way, but I don't want to break off one of these little things here because it's very delicate. They're not very substantial. Okay, let's make sure it only fits one way, but if there's a wrong way, I can do it that way. Okay, I made a slight boo-boo. This tin here is cut out. I have this in backwards because this is where your hookups go, and they hit this and you can't get it in far enough, so therefore it didn't work. So now I'll change it around and we're back to the way it should be.